Alcohol on events. This right here is a controversial topic that a lot of DJs sometimes struggle with, and I want to give you my thoughts on if you should have a drink or 2 or 4 at an event, or if you should not. And it's really for people that work in the private event industry. If you're a DJ working, should you or should you not be drinking on site at your events and while you're DJing someone's party? I'm gonna stop right here for a quick pause, ask you to throw it in the comments down below. Yes, no, do you drink at parties when you're DJing for people? Hold please. Put it in the comments down below, and I'm gonna give you my thoughts in a quick second. I've been a DJ in the private event industry for now over 20 years. Over the course of my career, I've had very different thoughts on whether DJs should or should not drink on site when performing at someone's very special private event. For the most part, all DJs are adults, and if you are of legal age and you do wish to take part in drinking at someone's event, I think you open yourself up to a number of things that could jeopardize your performance. Right or wrong, drinking on site at someone's event is not always the best idea. All of us as DJs, if you're crushing, having a great time, and you're connected to the couple or person that you're working for, have been offered a drink. They've come up and either offered you a shot or a drink, so what do you do? At this point in my life where I'm at, from time to time, I sometimes feel like I might need a drink. For the most part though, I try to limit any and all drinking when I'm performing at someone's event. Don't take part in the celebration as if you were a guest, even if you are friends with the person or couple that you're working for. If that couple, that person, the host of the party, comes over and asks that you take a shot with them, I think you have to know your limits, you have to know your boundaries, and you have to understand what your body and what your skill set is able to handle and deal with. I think it's not a good idea for DJs or people that are working on site at events to drink an excessive amount. I think it's not a good idea to have a ton of drinks while working. I think it is not a good idea. Now, there's gonna be some people that are watching this that totally disagree with me, and that's totally cool. Whether you drink or you don't drink, it's really up to you. Again, I think it all dials down to the person, to the event that you're DJing, and your ability to control yourself and understand your limits.